but I was thinking.
Camera. So fun. Oh, your first one.
This is it.
Yeah. Here, when we're talking about the Tired Mama tacos, we'll be able to watch the B-roll so you can actually speak to what's happening.
Oh, she already
Hi everyone, welcome to FabFitFun Live. I'm Jody, creative producer here at FabFitFun. We want to be the first place you turn to, not just for great products, but for fun and engaging content. On FabFitFunTV, you'll find all kinds of fantastic series. We've got over 100 workout videos, demos, and tutorials on all your box products, relationship advice, and yes, lots of cooking. If you're not a member or you haven't checked out FabFitFunTV yet, you're in luck because every Tuesday we're highlighting a different series and giving you an exclusive peek at our premium content. Today, we're talking food. It's time to get cooking on our FabFitFunTV Spotlight. Everyone, I'd like to introduce you to a familiar face, Toby Lowenfels. Toby is the founder of Dinner in 20, one of our FabFitFunTV partners. We're so excited that you're here.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
We filmed a really fun cooking series with Toby that premiered this fall. Everything was geared towards newbies in the kitchen and busy moms, and I had so much fun working with you.
Thank you.
We were actually in her house. It's a beautiful home.
Thanks.
So Toby, you've developed a great resource of recipes that kids will eat. So for all of those who have yet to hear about Dinner in 20, tell us what it is and why you started it.
Sure thing. Dinner in 20 is a weekly newsletter that arrives in your inbox every Saturday with 4 recipes that can be prepped in under 20 minutes.
And you're a mom to 3 little ones under 5.
Yes.
Which is very impressive. So did it take a while to figure out how to get them to actually eat? Because I hear that kids can be very picky eaters.
That's true. Fortunately, my kids are very good eaters.
Good.
They are pretty adventurous when it comes to eating. I think because I start them out so young. My littlest one is 7 months old, and she eats everything that we eat in the dinner. So she will eat what we're eating, and the boys will eat pretty much everything.
That's
and
great.
If they don't, I don't push it.
That's nice.
Yeah.
And you have a 2-bite rule, which I know about, but tell everybody else what your 2-bite rule is.
So if at least one of my 2 sons doesn't take at least 2 bites of a meal, I don't include it in the newsletter.
All right, okay. So what was your biggest win as a mom? Something that you got your kids to eat that you didn't think would happen?
Recently, I was very surprised when my son Rocky, who's only 4 years old, he asked for 3 helpings of spinach salad.
Wow.
And I couldn't believe it. I think because he liked the dressing, it was tossed with a miso dressing. And
your kid is eating miso dressing?
Yeah.
That's very impressive.
And he also said that he liked it because the spinach and the dressing they were having a fight in his mouth, and he liked to see who won, and the dressing kept on winning.
So you make like food time fun and like educational and fun for them. So we'd love to hear at home, any moms, any dads out there that any wins that you've had in the kitchen that you want to share with us, read them in the comments section. We want to hear from you. And if you're a member, you can check out all 4 of Toby's kid-tested recipes, which we have on FabFitFunTV. One of the recipes is a godsend because of how delicious and simple it is. I got to try it. It's your Tired Mama chicken tacos. Can you talk us through that recipe?
Sure, this is so simple. You can throw it together in the morning before you leave for work. I use a slow cooker. I throw some chicken in the slow cooker with some salsa and some black beans and some spices. And when you come home at the end of the day, all you have to do is shred it with 2 forks and put it in your tacos.
A slow cooker is like such a great secret.
Yes.
I don't have one, but I really want one. If you're just joining us, welcome. We are shining a spotlight on the talented Toby Lowenfels. She's an incredible mom, the founder of Dinner in 20, and one of our partners on FabFitFunTV. And if you've got picky eaters at home, you'll really appreciate her recipes. In our series, you'll find quick and crispy eggplant rounds, which I tasted and I loved. We've also got a flank steak with tomatoes and a 1-pan shrimp and couscous recipe. All of our members really love our 1-pan recipes. I feel like because it's just,
they're easy.
It's not intimidating, and you don't feel like you have to messy everything in the kitchen.
Yeah.
You can find all these recipes by clicking on the link in this video description. So Toby, you're sharing another quick and easy recipe with us today, perfect for kids' meals, right?
Yes.
So shall we go make it?
Yeah, let's
Okay,
go.
let's go. I'm gonna follow your lead here.
Okay.
So what are we making?
I chose this recipe. We're making some pizza muffins.
Yum.
And I chose this recipe because my kids like to make these with me. So you get an English muffin, and you take about 2 spoonfuls of marinara sauce.
Nice.
Put it on each side of the muffin. And then very flexible in terms of toppings.
This is great because you can, like, it's a very cute display. So it's kind of like a little assembly line for them.
Yeah, it is. And it's hard for them to mess this up because any way you do it, it's going to be good.
Do they like cooking with you in the kitchen?
They do, but I don't actually like cooking with them because I've ultimately, I mean, I started dinner in 20 because I just want to get dinner done.
Right.
And when you're cooking with kids, you have to
You're
hover
juggling
over
a
them.
lot, I assume.
Yeah, it's like cooking with an octopus. Like there's a lot going on.
And I remember you telling me you actually didn't cook at all until you had kids.
Yeah, I had never made a full meal until I had kids.
That's impressive that now you have a newsletter where you're recommending a bunch of recipes to moms.
I know. That's
You're doing the recipe testing for them. You're making them kid-proof for them.
Yes.
Which is great.
Yes.
Love the toppings here.
Yeah, these pepperonis, if you can find them at the grocery store, they're perfect for little hands because they're mini. Great. Yeah.
I have some comments here from our viewers. Valerie Norden likes the pretty boxes in the background. Thank you very much. Sandy Mack says that she makes one of the recipes all the time. Very delicious and easy.
Thanks,
Everything looks very yummy. A tip for the chicken in the crock pot, grab a hand mixer and it'll shred the chicken faster than 2 forks. That's from Kayla Wilkes.
Oh, wow, Kayla, that's impressive.
Really impressive.
I feel like I would make a mess with that.
For that.
Good job.
That tip.
Yeah.
Okay, so what next?
So then I like to sprinkle a little more cheese on top just so it gets nice and melty. And then you throw them in the toaster or the oven at 350 for about 10 or 15 minutes.
Simple.
Yeah.
It's really easy. And then this is what they look like when they're done?
Yeah.
Let's see what we got in here. Oh, so pretty and crispy.
So we made these beforehand so we could have them for the show.
Oh, look how pretty those look.
Yeah.
So we have some more comments. Skyla Lynn says she's making something similar to that right now, perhaps on her lunch hour at home. Tell us what you're making. What else do we have? Amy Fantoni Robinson says, I've made that for my kids before, but used string cheese and created mummies as Halloween treats.
Oh, love that.
That's really
That's
fun.
so creative.
Do you ever do like art or decor with your
No. I don't
have time for that.
I just
can't do that in 20 minutes.
I mean, on a weekend maybe, but not like she's great. That's great that she's doing that.
And Valerie O'Donnell also says she can't wait to try these recipes. They're really amazing, all of them. They're kid tested and also FabFitFun tested because we ate them all when we were filming with you.
Yes, that was
fun. Really amazing.
Yeah.
Well, these look really awesome. Thank you so much. Be sure to check out all of Toby's recipes. The series is on our FabFitFunTV, and the link is actually in this video description. Also, please write in to us in the comments and tell me what kind of recipes you want to see. Every season, we premiere new content and new FabFitFunTV partners. Okay, we're going to take a quick break, but be sure to come back at the half hour when it's game time. We're playing Win in 60 and giving away prizes. Did you see our game yesterday?
Yes.
It was really engaging.
So fun.
Today's will be really fun. Well, thanks so much, guys. Thank you so much, Toby, for being
Thank
here.
you.
Bye.
Bye.